Just another day in the life of a freelancer. We dropped by Somanicos at Abrisas Davao today for a quick lunch break. Pero hindi naman siya ganun ka-quick kasi we work on a flexi-time basis. Hindi rin ganun ka-strekto sa oras kaya we really took our time. And the best part dito sa Somanico is may only beef, only pork, at chicken na. Pero sa amin, we usually go for plain beef lang. Yun talaga yung preferred namin. And the best part, it's only 599 pesos lang. And of course, may dessert din. Only dessert yan, actually. Pagpasok nyo sa Somanico at may table na kayo, you'll need to check kung ano yung mga gusto nyo i-order. Simple lang, just let them know kung anong meat at ilang pieces ang kailangan nyo. If you're a freelancer, isa sa pinaka-factor talaga is yung oras. May mga clients na medyo strict, they require graveyard shift lang talaga. Pero meron din namang okay sa flexi schedule. So if you have a client na flexi schedule, sobrang blessing na yon. Sa case ko, flexi time naman and usually during the day lang. Kaya hindi masyadong pressured sa oras. Although, if I had a choice, mas gusto ko talaga mag-work sa gabi. Kasi yun na talaga yung nakasanayan ko. And kung starting ka pa lang na freelancer or aspiring freelancer, okay lang yan. It's still a good thing. Though sabi nga ng iba, saturated na daw yung market. Pero honestly, I don't believe that. Kasi ang lawak ng mundo and sobrang dami pa ring tao, especially sa other side of the world, na nangangailangan ng assistance. Ang challenge lang talaga ngayon is ang dami na ring freelancers, kaya grabe din ang competition. You might be asking, saan ba makakahanap ng client? Ano ba yung site yung the best? Well, depende talaga yan. Pero sa akin, I stick with Upwork and referrals from previous clients. Pero kung nagsisimula ka pa lang or wala ka pang gig right now, I suggest mag-check ka sa iba't ibang websites. Yan din yung ginawa ko last year and to be honest, it was really a challenging time. Kailangan ko talaga ng work and so, I applied sa iba't ibang platforms. Facebook, Upwork, OLJ, tapos na-try ko din yung sa LinkedIn, pero di ko pa masyadong kabisado yun. So, I was not able to find a client sa LinkedIn. Ang mahalaga lang is you try your luck and of course, don't forget to pray. Yun lang naman talaga ang sekreto, di ba? Tiyaga lang at dasal. Tiyaga at dasal. Don't give up. Kahit minsan parang ang hirap na. May mga nabasa nga ako sa Facebook groups na nakailang send na ng application, nakailang interview na. Yun din yung na-experience ko last time. But you have to persevere at higit sa lahat, magtiwala sa Diyos. Kasi at the end of the day, siya lang talaga ang masasandalan natin, di ba? So, dasal at tiyaga lang talaga. And I hope you will find your client soon. May nakita rin akong tanong sa isang Facebook group kung okay pa ba mag-shift to freelancing ang mga nasa corporate world. Ang masasabi ko lang, it really depends on your situation. Personally, I'd love to recommend being open to new opportunities, lalo na sa freelancing. Ibang mundo ang freelancing. It's really a different world from the corporate world. May pros and cons. And kung hindi ka sanay, maninibago ka talaga. Especially if you're just starting and wala ka pang client. It's a big adjustment na kailangan mong pagdaanan. So, kung hindi ka sanay tapos bigla kang mag-jump into freelancing, medyo mahirap talaga sa simula. Pero if willing ka at handa ka at willing kang matuto, it can be worth it. So for now, I think yun lang muna ang gusto kong i-share. Especially para sa mga gustong pumasok sa freelancing or maging freelancer someday. Kung gusto mo talaga, then go for it, di ba? There are still a lot of things we can talk about when it comes to freelancing. Like choosing your niche, magkano ang kita, paano mag-collect ng bayad, paano makahanap ng client, and so on. Pero sa ngayon, hanggang dito na muna, and hopefully sa next post ko, you will stick it out and watch my video. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day, and I hope we can continue to be a blessing to each other. Thank you.
Tubig din yung side.